Whenever you're looking for a family law attorney, you should be looking for somebody that has compassion for you, that you feel that they're going to do their due diligence in your case, and that you ultimately trust.
Johnson O'Keefe's objective is to maximize people's financial well-being and their time with their children.
Johnson O'Keefe provides family law services including divorces, custody matters, legal separations, and guardianships and adoptions. And we also handle protection orders.
We started with Johnson Law Group in Colorado, and then we decided that it was best to try helping people on a national scale.
With some of our attorneys that were licensed to practice in Illinois, we took the standpoint of Taylor's doing fantastic work for the people of Colorado. He intended to move to the state of Illinois, and we had no doubt in our minds that he was going to do a fantastic job for the good folks of the state of Illinois.
Johnson O'Keefe is based in Chicago, and then we also have an office in Boca Raton, Florida.
I think the most important qualities to look for in hiring a family law attorney is compassion, diligence, and a willingness to communicate.
We get to know our clients, we build trust and rapport with them, and we value communication with our client. I always do an introductory call with the client and let them speak freely, tell me everything that's going on in their life, and that helps me determine what is going on in their case, and I take note, because even the smallest bit of detail can be very important to your case.
We want to make sure that they trust we are doing everything we can to progress their case. Even though we can't help with all of their problems and all the emotional trauma, we can get them to a better place in their legal proceeding, and we can give them hope in the future.
Having somebody saying, look, there's still a light at that end of the tunnel, it's still going to get better, helps you to keep going.
We realized that most people who come to us didn't plan to be in this circumstance where they're divorcing their spouse or they're talking about the allocation of parental responsibilities for their children.
Our goal across the board is to leave our clients in a better place at the end of the case.
Just giving them a sense of guidance in such a complicated process, with all the procedural rules, the client can take their mind off of some other pretty emotional issues and allow us to just lead them through.
We spend time learning about more of the soft skills that are important in the attorney-client relationship that sometimes get lost in the wayside because there's so much focus on advocacy, but the counseling piece is very important to us.
The attorney-client relationship is a unique one, and it's a dynamic one. The clients bring to us their fears, their goals, their ambitions, their vulnerabilities, and they shower us with facts and information. And we take those facts, we take that information, and we turn those into means to accomplish results, and we're very successful in doing so.
At the end of the day, they are going to walk out of our offices with a totally new lease on life.
If you're ready to hire an attorney for your family law case, call Johnson O'Keefe or visit our website.